Did I get it? Yeah, got it. Brian. Huh?
Hey, I didn't sign any paperwork.
Too bad, so sad.
Here, just put her here. Fine, but I want commission checks.
Closing this?
No, I was asking that bar thing because it was a crew area.
Oh, that's
Like you said, man.
The octopus is working again.
Yeah,
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's working. Notice that, did you? What again? 10 pounds of ice cream?
Unless you want to start getting ready for dinner.
Yeah, the ice cream.
You don't have to just jam in catamaran.
We went to check the place
Is
was
it
open
now?
now.
No? There, he sees us.
Yeah, I know, picture. We'll wait for the picture. Sam?